Wednesday? Is today Wednesday? Yep. So that makes it day 5? Day 5. Okay, so we've just left Sandstone Point Holiday Park, which we highly recommend to anyone north of Brisbane. It is amazing. The facilities are awesome. It's so clean, well kept. But it was the staff who I thought were pretty awesome. They were so friendly, so helpful. Nothing was an issue. Just amazing.
That was a water park.
The water park was, yeah, that was your favourite bit, wasn't it? So we've just driven out onto the highway, heading up to Agnes Water. If we get that far, just sort of taking it in our stride today. It was an early trip. We left at 6 a.m. this morning after a big day at Australia Zoo yesterday. It was really hot, so we're all a little bit wiped out today. It was a massive day. So good though. What was your favourite part of Australia Zoo, Troy?
Probably getting to walk with the lemurs.
Yeah.
And then when they all had their call going.
And just the way they walk around, like they're just roaming free on that island. It was amazing.
Literally like a foot away from your feet, walking alongside you. It's great.
And that cute little one that followed you down the path. Yeah, the lemurs were definitely one of my favourites as well.
And the Africa zone, that was good. They just got so much room, big open area for the animals to walk around and do what they do. Not cooped up like other zoos, you know.
Yeah. And what about you, Noah? What was your favourite part?
Mine was the meerkats and rhinos and lemurs.
And what about you, Ada?
Snakes.
The Africa part.
The Africa.
Snakes.
And of course the show at the Crocosium's always good too, with all the birds and crocs and stuff. That's always good. But it's just good to see how much. It's been 12 years since we were there, and it's good to see how much they've done in that time. They're certainly putting a lot of money back into the place and into the animals, which is good to see.
It is. Yeah, it was definitely well worth visiting. It was brilliant. It was really good. But yeah, it's definitely a big day, so make sure you take comfy footwear and lots of water. Although there's water stations all around the park as well. Like
Just take a bottle and you can fill up at the water stations, which is great.
Yeah, but I've seen a couple of parents with little children. They actually brought scooters, which I thought was a really good idea too. So it's one way to get around. They could almost bloody have bike hire. It's that big, but they do have a the train thing we got on they've got shuttle. That's it. They've got a shuttle that sort of takes you to different parts.
5 different stations.
Yeah, through each of the different countries.
Runs every half
zoo.
hour.
We're talking about the zoo now.
Yeah. Remember the train we got on at the zoo?
Yeah.
It was. That was good. But yeah, look, we're just going past the Glasshouse Mountains now. It's super pretty.
We're here in Agnes Water. Just got here about maybe half hour ago. Took probably 30 minutes longer because some fool wasn't keeping an eye on Google Maps and forgot to take a turn, so we went the scenic route through Gin, which was nice. Nice scenery, but you know, extra half hour on a 5-hour trip sort of wasn't really needed, but you know, you get that. I do have an excuse. I managed to pick up Noah's allergy, whatever it is that he had the other day. Looks like Ada's got it too, and Alyssa's complaining of a bit of a sore throat, so hopefully she doesn't get it and can nurse us all. Looks like a fabulous spot. Got to go down and check out the waves. We won't be going out to Lady Musgrave because we're all feeling not really up to it. Might go and check out the paperbark forest tomorrow. The humidity here is unbelievable, and it looks like there could be another storm on the way. I think we've only had one night where it hasn't rained, not full-blown storms every night, but yeah, rain just about every night. It's unbelievable. Welcome back. As you can hear by my voice, we've been a little bit crook for a few days, so we've not done any updates or really filmed anything, as we've been pretty ordinary, haven't we, kiddo? In that time we sort of spent, what we have, 2 nights in Agnes Water.
Yep, then 4 nights in Yeppoon.
And 4 nights in Yeppoon, which was only supposed to be 2, but we turned into 4 so we could go and see the doctor and get some
rest.
Yeah, get some rest. We caught up with some pretty special people in that time, and yeah, we got a lot of
Swimming,
a lot of good memories and photos, but not too much video to show you. So we spent a bit of time at the lagoon down in Yeppoon there, which is fantastic. The kids absolutely loved it. It's a beautiful spot. And the only other thing we'd really done in Yeppoon as far as touristy stuff goes was Capricorn Caves yesterday, which was really beautiful in there too.
totally recommend.
Yeah, totally recommend. It's only about a 40-minute drive, I think, from Yeppoon, and it's great. It's a really good tour. A lot more laid back than Janolan in a way. Smaller sort of tour group as well, so you can actually stop and
Take photos
and admire the cave and all that sort of thing. And then yeah, today we've travelled there 4.5 hours, about 5 hours with a couple of breaks, up to Cape Hillsborough. So tomorrow morning we're going to go and see the wallabies and kangaroos down on the beach here in the morning, and then yeah, after that hook up and head to Airlie Beach for a few nights, and that'll probably be our turnaround point. But yeah, we'll do a few things while we're there, and then turn around and make our way back. Alright, bye. Say bye.
So we've just walked up this little trek, mountain, what do you call it, like a little pathway up the hill, and found this. It's pretty amazing. So we've just had another little walk, and now we're at Turtle Lookout, and the view is pretty cool here too.
Pretty sure that's Mackay. Turtle.
Oh, Jesus Christ, Dad.
See him?
Yep.
Yes. We sent a turtle lookout.